welcome back to my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to find a location of website. Before going to find a location of website, I am going to explain you what is IP geolocation. IP-based geolocation is mapping of an IP address or MAC address to the real-world geographic location of an internet-connected computing or mobile device. So basically, it's going to find your server location in the form of geographical. Now, I'm going to click on my Termex, and first and foremost, I'm going to type apt install python. Why I am doing this? Because the IP geolocation file is written in Python programming language. I have already installed Python, and next, to find the IP geolocation, we need to download the file from GitHub. Okay, now here you can see the GitHub link. I'm just going to copy it and paste it in my Termex. So here I come back to my Termex and typing git clone and pasting the URL. Now pressing enter. Okay, now it gets downloaded, and next typing ls command. So here you can see the IP geolocation folder, and next I'm going to type cd IP geolocation, press enter, and now I'm in the folder of IP geolocation. So before going to run the IP geolocation Python file, I need some of the requirements to be installed. So here you can see the requirement file, which has the extension of .txt, and now I'm going to type pip install r requirements.txt, then pressing enter. Okay, all the requirements have been installed successfully, and next typing python IP geolocation.py. Now pressing enter. Here it's showing the help commands that can be used for finding the location, m for finding your own geolocation, target IP address if domain, and few more are there. So now I'm going to check my geolocation by typing python IP geolocation.py m, then pressing enter. Okay, now it shows the IP geolocation of my MAC address. Now here you can see the information of my MAC address. Next, I'm going to find the location of website by typing python IP geolocation.py t targeted website. I'm going to enter www.facebook.com. I'm going to wait for a while. Okay, now here you get the geolocation of Facebook. Here you can see the details. So that's how we can find the IP geolocation of website or any other domain by running ipgeolocation.py file. So that's all in this video. Thank you.